Stephen Smith's death is now being considered a homicide 8 years after the teenager was found dead on a rural road near the Murdaugh family home. In addition, Stephen Smith's mother, Sandy, shared the news that they would be exhuming her son's body and pushing forward with an independent autopsy. Stephen Smith was found dead July the 8th, 2015 on a rural road near the Murdaugh property with a blunt force trauma injury to the head. The teen's death was initially ruled a hit and run, but highway patrol officers have since claimed that they didn't believe the scene was consistent with a road traffic accident. This comes just a day after Buster Murdaugh denied rumors that he was involved in Stephen Smith's death. South Carolina Law Enforcement Division, known as SLED, reopened the investigation in 2021, citing new evidence uncovered whilst investigating the murders of Buster Murdaugh's mother and brother. Attorney Ronnie Richer said there are a number of facts that clearly point to murder, including that Stephen's body had no injuries from the torso down. No car parts were found at the scene, and he allegedly walked 3 miles in the dark without using his cell phone. Lots of peculiarities in regards to the death of Stephen Smith. Stephen Smith's mother, Sandy, said she wants to find the real reason for her son's death and has stood by her opinion that he would have walked through the woods if his car broke down and not through the road. 2 documentaries, one by HBO, one by Netflix, have aired rumors alleging that Buster Murdaugh was involved in a romantic relationship with Stephen Smith. On Monday, Buster Murdaugh released a statement denying any involvement in Stephen Smith's death. So I will let you know, I've not followed the case of the Murdaugh family. I've been aware of it, but I've not followed it. So I'm pretty ignorant in that regards. Hopefully I'm pronouncing his name right. I suspect I'm not. And in a lot of these cases, there's a lot of speculation, and this does seem to be very speculative. And I tend to try to avoid such speculation. However, having said that, we're told here that the highway patrol officers believe that it could be murder. There is a number of facts, some evidence suggesting that murder could have occurred. And beyond that, this is potentially very interesting. I mean, I do feel a little bit bad about making a video in regards to Buster Murdaugh, seeing as he lost his mother, he lost his brother at the hands of his father, if I understand correctly. That's devastating for him. So I feel a little bit bad. I don't want to victim blame or kick someone whilst they're down or anything along those lines. But having said that, this is incredibly interesting if indeed father and son are both murderers. I don't know that to be the case yet. That's why there's going to be an investigation. The investigation was reopened in 2021 for reasons, due to the evidence brought up during the Murdaugh's mother and brother's investigation. So it's an interesting topic. I think it's fair to say we don't know what's going on at this point. I think we need to give Buster a little bit more leeway than we typically would a suspect, given his recent losses, or the loss of his mother and brother at the hands of his father. But this is an interesting topic. Perhaps I'll keep an eye on it.